Hey there, thank you so much for joining me for my FabFitFun Fall 2022 unboxing video. I want to preface this video by saying my package did get quite damaged in shipping, so I did run into a few issues. But we will start off with this FabFitFun magazine. Every season they enclose one of these. They usually also put in a sheet of stickers. I don't know whether they didn't do it this year or if they fell out the giant gaping hole in the upper right corner of my box that you can probably see. But either way, I didn't get them. We do have some advertisements here. And the first item out was an add-on item, which is these sleeve pillowcases. They are a blend of, I believe it was eucalyptus and cotton. And I'm really looking forward to these. I'm trying to transition to all cotton bedding because I prefer it, so these will definitely have a place in my linen closet. Next up is this Nars Blush. I originally ordered this in 2 different shades, but one of them either did not come in the package or it fell out of the giant hole in the side. Either way, I only got one blush, which was a little upsetting, but I did reach out to customer service and they gave me some winter add-on credit. I was a little bummed out because I was really looking forward to the other blush, but I like this one as well. The color is nice and subtle, and it'll be a really good addition to my makeup collection. So we'll tuck that back in there. And I bought this as an extra. It's the 8-inch fry pan. I got one of these in one of my previous mystery bundles, and I use it almost daily, especially if I'm cooking breakfast or lunch for myself. It's just the perfect size, and it's super durable. Like I said, I use it almost every day, and there's not a scratch, no flaking, no chips, and I love the handle. It's got a really good grip to it, and it fits my hand just right. These are amazing, so if you would see it like during an add-on or something like that or an edit sale, you should definitely pick one up. I think you'd really like it. So we'll get some of this packaging out of the way. Next up are these Lumafy Eye Drops that they stick in pretty much every seasonal box. Some more packaging. Now this is part of the embroidery bundle. It was the embroidery kit and then a little cute basket. On this category I wasn't really sure what to pick, so I just ended up getting this because I really liked the basket. You'll see here. I haven't really done any type of embroidery since I was very young, but I will either give it another try or I may end up donating it to my church raffle or something like that. Either way. And the basket just kind of pops out. I'll show you here. If I can get it open. There we go. And it's a really nice size and just nice neutral colors. I'm thinking I'll probably use it in my entryway. It's got some convenient little handles. Like I said, I just wasn't sure what to get on that category, so this is what I got. And it was kind of like that this season. There's a few categories where I just wasn't super excited about what was up for offer. I was happy to see this though. This is the Stojo Collapsible Cup. I have a couple of these already and I use them all the time, at least a couple times a week. They're so easy to just tuck into your purse because they're so small when they're collapsed down like this. But they're really all-purpose. I use them for both hot and cold drinks. And they're easy to put together. You just unscrew the lid. We'll get those instructions out of the way. You pull the ring out from underneath. It just tucks right in there. And then you just pop it out. You put it back on as a sleeve. And then you can put whatever drink in. It really helps for not using for not using like disposable cups and being wasteful. I get coffee in here a lot, or sometimes I'll use it for water. When I'm done with my coffee, I'll just pop some ice cubes and a straw in. It's great for if you're on the go. I highly recommend. I really like the color of this one too. It's like a really muted rose. I don't know if it comes across as well on video, but we'll just store those extra straws in here. I'm excited about the extra straws too because I lost one of the straws out of my other one, so now I have a replacement. Next out is a Eucalyptus body wash. Pretty much anytime I see a body wash on one of these, I'll get them. I love trying new body washes. And I can kind of smell this one right through the lid, and it smells really good. So I'm really looking forward to using it. Right now I'm kind of midway through a Spongel, so I want to finish using that up first, but then I'll probably switch over to this. So we'll just tuck that back in there for now. And we'll be seeing you soon. So we will continue on. Let's try this next. This was another thing I wasn't quite sure about, but it's a vegetable chopper, and I mainly got this because I do a lot of cooking. I mean, you'll see cooking videos up on my channel all the time. And I really don't like cutting onions. I mean, my eyes are really sensitive, and then I start crying, and it's just not fun. So I thought, well, maybe with this, since it's all sealed up, I won't cry so much. So we'll try that tomorrow. I'm making some stuffed peppers, and we'll see how it goes. We just pull the string, and it kind of makes the blades whiz around. I'm not sure how durable it'll be, but I figured it was worth giving a try. So I'll move that out of the way. Clear out some of this packaging. Oops, there's something in here that I almost missed. It's my fast dry top coat that I added on. Because for me it's a big bummer when I do my nails and I get them all perfect. I go to put my top coat on and then it takes forever and a day to dry, and I end up nicking it or catching it on the corner of something. So we'll see if this works any better. Alright, so next up are these black pumpkin fresh peepers. There's just some under eye gels. I got them because A, it was one of the only actual fall themed things in the box, and I love a theme. And 2, I love any type of face mask, eye mask, anything like that. So the next item out is this Eye Shampoo. It is the Apple Cider Detox. And this is good because I use a lot of product and I do get a lot of buildup on my hair, and I also got the detangling rinse to go with it. And I'll probably throw that in the mix like at least once a week just to kind of clean my hair off. And I also got another shampoo by them, which was the strengthening shampoo. I've never used their the regular shampoos before, but I have used their dry shampoo in the past, and I really liked it. I thought it was really nice, so I thought I'd give these a try when I saw them in add-ons. And I need a shampoo and conditioner anyway, so we will give these a go and see how they work out. My poor box. My poor mangled box. You'll see here is where it falls apart. So I'll just go ahead and lay everything back out. We've got the shampoo and conditioners. We've got my top coat, shower gel, the vegetable chopper, eye masks, that cute little basket. Let's get that in there. Pop the bottom down so it lays flat. The embroidery kit, the blush, my one blush. I'll get over it. Now we'll just lay everything else out here. Like I said, it was a bit of a mixed bag. I guess I'll be happy for my credit come winter box customization time. But as for now, with what I did get, I'm pretty happy with it. I thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a great weekend, and take care.